Welcome back to Noir Velocity, where we test the absolute best machines on four wheels. And today, we are diving headfirst into a vehicle that redefines what a modern luxury family SUV should be. The brand new 2026 Volvo XC90. If you have been looking for an SUV that balances bold design, ridiculous comfort, cutting-edge technology, and legendary safety, stay tuned because Volvo has taken their flagship three-row powerhouse and refined it to near perfection. The moment you see this 2026 XC90 in person, it commands attention. Volvo's signature Scandinavian design language shines brighter than ever. Up front, you get that striking, refreshed diagonal slatted grille, framed by those iconic Thor's hammer LED headlights that light up the asphalt with surgical precision. The body lines are crisp, elegant, and muscular, sitting proudly on massive available 22-inch black diamond-cut alloy wheels. It does not try to be loud or obnoxious. Instead, it projects a level of sophisticated confidence that makes every other family hauler on the road look ordinary. Under the hood, the 2026 XC90 offers performance options that hit the sweet spot between punchy power and sensible efficiency. You can choose between the B5 and B6 turbocharged 2-liter, 4-cylinder mild hybrid powertrains, both paired with standard all-wheel drive and a buttery-smooth 8-speed automatic transmission. The B5 kicks out a solid 247 horsepower, while the B6 bumps that up to 295 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, sprinting from 0 to 60 in just 6.4 seconds. And if you want maximum thrill with eco-friendly efficiency, the T8 plug-in hybrid delivers a staggering 455 combined horsepower, giving you electric efficiency during the weekday commute and explosive passing power on open highway stretches. On the road, the ride quality is floating on air smooth, soaking up potholes effortlessly while keeping body roll tightly controlled through twisty canyon passes. Plus, with a 5,000-pound towing capacity, you can hook up a boat or trailer without breaking a sweat. Step inside, and the cabin of the 2026 XC90 is a masterclass in Scandinavian minimalism and pure luxury. The attention to detail is mind-blowing. You are greeted by available tailored Napa leather or eco-friendly quilted Nordico upholstery, genuine grey ash wood trim, and that jaw-dropping Orrefors crystal gear selector knob that feels like a piece of high-end art right in your palm. Comfort is second to none. The front seats feature 10-way power adjustments with heating, ventilation, and power side bolsters that hug you perfectly on long road trips. Second-row passengers get heated seating and the option for executive captain's chairs, while the third row comfortably accommodates passengers with generous legroom. When you need sheer utility, folding the rear seats opens up a massive 85.7 cubic feet of cargo capacity, easily handling all your luggage, camping gear, or groceries. Technology in the 2026 XC90 is fast, intuitive, and seamlessly integrated into your daily drive. Dominating the dash is a high-resolution 11.2-inch portrait touchscreen powered by built-in Google services. You get Google Maps navigation with real-time traffic, Google Assistant voice commands, and native app support right out of the box, alongside wireless Apple CarPlay. Audiophiles will fall in love with the optional 19-speaker Bowers and Wilkins audio system, which transforms the quiet cabin into a world-class concert hall. To keep everyone fresh, Volvo's CleanZone air quality system actively filters out harmful pollutants and pollen before they even enter the car. Now, let us talk about the core reason why the XC90 remains the undisputed champion for families: safety. Volvo built its entire legacy on protecting lives, and the 2026 XC90 continues that tradition with a standard suite of driver assistance features that feel like a guardian angel on every trip. You get blind spot information with steering assist, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping aid, oncoming lane mitigation, rear automatic braking, and a razor-sharp 360-degree camera system that makes parking this three-row giant effortless. Starting around $62,000 for the core trim and climbing up to $71,000 for the top-tier Ultra, the 2026 XC90 delivers an extraordinary value proposition against rivals like the BMW X5 or Audi Q7. When you aggregate its effortless performance, luxurious comfort, unrivaled safety pedigree, and family-first versatility, the 2026 Volvo XC90 stands tall as the ultimate family SUV on the market today. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Noir Velocity for more high-octane reviews, and drop a comment below telling me if you would pick this XC90 over its German competition.